Hey guys, thanks for joining us on another dry needling video. So today we're going to be aiming for some forearm flexor release. So I got Jeremy here, he's our RMT here at Strength Through Motion, so obviously he uses his hands quite a bit. So let's see the arm first. Basically the forearm flexors come from the medial epicondyle, the inner portion of your elbow, and if they get too tight, what can occasionally happen is it does irritate the tendon and leads to something called golfer's elbow. Now the primary action of the muscle is lats, so elbow or wrist and finger flexion. So the easiest way to do this, usually pin, target the muscle we want, open a bit of a window, poke it, so that's right into the skin there, you get a nice close shot. Excellent. And from there, we're gonna do our first pass. So that's about 3 centimeters into his forearm right now. How's that feel? Not too bad?
Not too bad.
Good. After the first pass, making sure we don't hit anything we don't want to be hitting. Do some pistoning around. And release through that muscle. And out. So we do use different gauges of needles as well. This one's a 0.25 millimeter. So relatively thin. See if we can touch it with this one. A little bit of finger movement there. Is that you or the muscle? And again, no blood. You can see a little bit of picture. It's pretty cool. As we get closer up here, we need to be careful with that median nerve coming through. That side there. This is gonna be a nice swollen. Ooh, yeah. Nice little twitchy there. So first pass, making sure we go through everything we want to be going through and nothing that we don't want to be going through. And we just twist that. And you can see his fingers twitching around there. Oh, even a bicep.
Oh man.
So you probably got a bit of a bicep tendon there as well. The bicep tendon does come through the tubular fossa of the arm. How'd that feel? No blood.
Tender.
Tender.
You're good.
He's ready for tennis now. Or more work.
Or golf.
Or golf. Alright guys, so we just finished needling Jeremy's forearm. How's it feel, Jeremy?
Tender, but looser.
And they're about looser, so he's ready for another full day of work here at STM. So basically, again, recap what we did. We looked for the tight bands of tissue through his forearm flexors. So the forearm flexors include muscles that move the wrist into this direction and his fingers up in this direction. Also the pronator teres, which turn your forearm this way. So if you're a line chef or if you do a lot of screwdriver or power tool use, a lot of the times I find that this will tighten up quite a bit. So thanks guys for joining us on another video on dry needling. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, smash that notification bell so that you can stay in tune for our future videos. And again, we're going to try to post these weekly. Thanks!